I've been doing this Icelandic teaching since 2014, almost 10 years, and I've seen this happen so many times. Góðan daginn, allan daginn. Good day, all day to you. It's Óskar here, out walking in a nice, fresh, wonderful day. It's very overcast and cloudy. I thought I'd try this vlogging format since I have never exactly done one of these before. So, welcome to my vlog. What I thought I'd talk about is this thing that I have noticed quite a bit since I've been doing this Icelandic teaching since 2014. And so I've had quite a lot of time experiencing people practicing Icelandic in real time. And what I have seen time and time again is people practicing saying something. For example, góðan daginn. And as they are practicing, they will almost immediately go into a very sort of judgmental place about themselves, and they will beat themselves up, and they'll say, I did it wrong, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. And they get themselves really worked up, and they're not in a relaxed place about it. And I can see what's happening. They're judging themselves, they're feeling bad about themselves. And I think a lot of us do this thing where we have kind of a judge inside of us. We have a tyrant, we have a headmaster in our brains, and they want us to do everything right. They want us to do a good job. They want us ultimately to do it perfectly. And I think for a lot of us, maybe this doesn't apply to you. Maybe you're a healthy, balanced individual with a positive approach to learning Icelandic, or learning anything for that matter. But I think for a lot of us, there is a struggle to be kind to yourself, and to not go into this place of beating yourself up when you don't get something right. And the ridiculous thing about this beating yourself up, about not saying something right the first time, or the first 5 times, or the first 100 times, is that nobody gets it right the first time, or the second time, or the third time. It takes many, 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 many tries. So I guess ultimately what I wanted to say here is that maybe the initial process, or the first phase of learning something like Icelandic, shouldn't be to try to get it right, or try to be good at it, or try to get it perfect by any means, but maybe you need to approach it from the standpoint of messing it up and failing and not getting it right the first time, or the second time, or the 5th time, in order just to be okay with the process. And so you release the tension and all the stress associated with getting it correct and right, and you just play. You let yourself play and have fun with it, because ultimately, if you're not having fun with it, there really isn't any point to it, I think, at all. So yeah, like I said, I've been doing this Icelandic teaching since 2014, almost 10 years, and I've seen this happen so many times, that people beat themselves up, and it doesn't help at all. It puts people in a shame spiral, and then they feel bad about themselves, and then they don't want to do the thing anymore because they feel bad about themselves. And what is the ultimate final conclusion? They give up. And so I don't want that for you. I don't want that to happen to you. So that's why I'm sharing my thoughts, that I think you might want to try giving yourself permission to fail miserably, horribly, fantastically. And if you can't give yourself permission to do that, then maybe I can give you that permission. Anyway, those are my thoughts about learning and failing. There's an airplane up there. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Am I right or am I wrong? My God, what have I done? Takk fyrir og bless bless. Thank you for watching my thing. Takk fyrir globbið. If you want more things beamed into your eyeballs and into your ear holes, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you would, please. I so appreciate it.